In a world driven by rapid evolution, innovation, and sustainability, a standout solution takes the lead. Nexus Connected Worker Solutions is transforming manual processes into digital workflows, enabling manufacturing excellence and efficiency. Nexus Connected Worker Operations serves as your gateway to real-time, data-driven decision-making on the shop floor, optimizing processes and boosting productivity through the power of live data. Connected Worker Maintenance forms the backbone of efficient manufacturing by tracking capital equipment, optimizing schedules, and reducing costs. Connected Worker Quality empowers standardization of inspections while achieving faster reactions, higher yield, and lower scrap through real-time reporting. And Connected Worker Audits empower operators on your production floor, driving optimal output through user-friendly digital audits, visual guidance, and effective smart data utilization. Experience the ease of configuring and managing IT/OT data integrations with our cost-effective, code-free development tools and a unified platform designed for streamlined deployment and management. Join the ranks of our satisfied customers and get in touch with our sales team today to learn more about these cutting-edge solutions. Nexus Connected Worker transforms the manufacturing landscape, bridging gaps between people, processes, and technology. Nexus, freedom to innovate.